Hi, it's Desiree again. My friend Autumn, the one I said in the first video.
We're
recording.
Can I stop?
Oh, sorry. We're gonna be playing this game where it's a good or bad slime. So
these are coffee.
Yeah. So
it smells like
we're gonna play.
I'm gonna tell you guys how the game works. Okay. So what you do is you take a bucket. We're gonna sort out good slimes and bad slimes, and then Desiree or me is going to put a good slime in a bowl and a bad slime in the bowl, and then the other person who's hiding is gonna see who's putting it in the bucket. They are gonna try to guess what one is the good one, because that's how you're gonna get the points. So Desiree's gonna go first. He's gonna put the slimes in. I'm gonna go and hide, and then when he's done, she's gonna say when she's done, and then I'm going to come and try to guess what one's the good one. So, and then it's gonna be me. He's gonna do it. We're gonna do this 4 times, I'm pretty sure. So something like that. I don't really know, but I think 4 is a good number.
4 rounds.
He's gonna do it 2 times, and I'm gonna do 2 times.
Yeah.
So he's gonna hide 2.
Time go.
Okay,
go.
pat. Okay. Oh my. Are you done?
No.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, guys. So you guys know. You guys comment down below what one it is. So I'm gonna try to get it. I'm scared. Can I shake it?
No.
Okay, I cannot shake it. I think it has a good one. Yay! I got the good one. I got the good one.
Thank you, guys. I got the bad one.
You guys don't know what this is, so I'm gonna show you guys.
It's actually butter slime.
It's butter slime. Yeah, it's cute.
I just made it.
We just made 2 slimes right now.
I made 2.
I made 1, but
I made a white one and a green, really dark.
it's a really pretty color.
Mhm.
And mine is in a bag. I don't know where it is. But
Up there somewhere.
it's up there somewhere.
Okay, put it away.
Let's put it away now. Put it in the back. Get off my fingers. So now, Desiree is going.
It's our turn.
Desiree is going to go hide. So let's go. Okay, Desiree, what one's the good pile and the bad pile? This is mixed up.
Just think what they are, good or bad.
Okay. So Desiree's under there. Where's the other cap? Oh, there it is. Raining.
I was checking my water bottle underneath there. I'm gonna switch.
Yes! Yes! I got the good one. I got the good one.
Are you sure that's good?
Yes. This is the good one.
I don't remember the slime.
That one's in the bad pile. Yay! See my trick,
Autumn,
guys?
they're all good or bad together. This is a good one too.
Well, I don't really know.
This is sticky. I don't even remember this slime.
Exactly, that's why it's bad.
No, it's not.
So
It's actually a pretty good
same
one.
slime.
It's. No, I remember.
You remember? You need to sort them out so I know which is which.
Okay,
So
good.
Alright.
Good.
This is a really cool slime. I'm just gonna take some of it out. Like, just some of it. So, like, all of it. Okay, I'm just gonna take this one bit out. Whatever. It's starting to get hard again, kind of.
Okay. Okay, put that away.
Okay. Guys.
How does this work out for starters? You get 2 and 2. Same color. How's that work out? I usually always get the same thing if I have another one. I always get the same colors. Again?
What? He got the same colors as Zach.
My second, my
Thanks for
first.
blocking my face. I love that. My face just keeps going over here. I don't know what's happening.
I'm behind her. My darkness heart. Got you.
Okay. I don't know. I can't.
What
close
I'm
his
eating-
face.
What I'm eating is my
Okay.
Halloween candy.
This is all of hers. I got more though, so boom, chicken soup.
We got more.
I'm my dad's.
I got more
trick
of
or treating than my
mine.
mom's. No, I got more. You don't know how much I got. I got a lot.
I got a lot more.
I got a
over there.
lot.
I got a lot more of it.
Can you close this? I don't know, but I'm not closing it.
It's your bake's not inside out.
It's not inside out. I can't close it.
Ow! Go high.
Okay, I just gotta tell him something. I'll tell him that.
It's gonna take a while.
Ow, my foot! Don't laugh at me! I don't know where it went! Ow, that hurt! Can I come out now?
No.
Why?
That is rude. Okay, now, okay, now you can.
She laughed at me.
She hit her foot.
So tell me what. Okay,
Okay, hurry up.
I'm gonna keep.
I got bad slime. I got good slime. She has 1 point. I have 1 point. Okay. Yeah.
So, guys, this is gonna be the last one. So this is gonna be the last challenge, and if he gets it done, take it personal.
Ow.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Come on. Yes. Whoa. How? Ah, what are you doing? Okay, pig. Ready.
How bad do you want that one?
Pig.
I want to switch.
Yay!
Five!
No! I keep doing it! I got this one. This is a good one. That one's a bad one. Ow! That hurts. So
She won.
I won! What's my
Bye.
prize? Okay, guys. What's my prize?
Nothing.
Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed.
Did you guys know I can juggle? Almost.
We should watch her, guys. Let's watch her.
No.
Juggle.
Okay.
Juggle. Oh, I know. Juggle. Go. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Here, let me do it with slime.
Okay, she's doing it with slime. This is gonna go wonderfully. Oh, okay, she can do it. Faster.
They're doing so fast.
Okay, guys. So, anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Desiree's channel. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. Hit the thumbs up.